Hi NT, my name is Simone Bellengier and I'm running to be your 2021-2022 Student Council Treasurer. Since I was little, I've had an obsession with managing money. Either if it is to buy candy or playing Monopoly, I've always been passionate about making an impact. Now you may wonder why I think I'm the best candidate for this position. Well, I've participated in many extracurriculars, ranging from sports teams to graffiti, NTAA, PALs, and been head of several clubs. And because of this, I'm familiar with the coordination of club expenses and the distribution of funds both accurately and fairly. I have run and seen the inner workings of many of your NT favorite events. And because of this, I'm confident that I can use the voice I have established at North Toronto to represent yours. As a co-founder and president of 2 student-based companies through Junior Achievement, I've worked closely with my finance team. I know how to cover financial transactions and make logical budget plans. Yet, as a Virgo and a perfectionist, my ultimate goal is to make your ideas heard and your initiatives possible. As an outgoing and determined student, I want to be a helping hand with other council proposals, which will translate into your experience. I also want to be open-minded with any ideas, pitches, or requests that NT's money could go towards. But most importantly, I want to be transparent and communicate effectively when thoroughly analyzing any funding events or decisions. As your next treasurer, I want to immerse myself, make my own mark in student council, and lead the NT student body. My experience, passion, and leadership in NT have shaped me into the diligent and hardworking candidate that I am today. Now it's your turn. Follow at @Bellengier for Treasurer. And don't forget, starting on May 18th, to vote Bellengier for Treasurer NT.